So greetings, my name is Keisha and I'm coming to you from sunny South Florida here in zone 11. It is so hot out here, but I want to go ahead on and quickly, before I really do melt in the sun, I want to quickly go ahead on and plant out 2 of my beds. I'm going to add some patty pan squashes in there because I already have the seeds for them and they tend to pick up really quickly even in this heat, and they won't take long to be able to be harvested. I want to, even though these beds are really made for the fall, I don't want to leave my beds with nothing in them because that's how weeds end up inside of it, and I want to keep my soil healthy and prepared for my collard greens and my mustard greens and my broccoli and whatever else I decide to plant over here in the brassica leafy green fall family. So let's go ahead and get started.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman called souls, feeling peaceful and fine.
Okay, so today I'm going to be planting in both of these 2 raised beds right here. First thing I'm going to do, I am going to put down some compost on top of my soil, and I'm going to work it through. The thing about my garden is my beds are very close together. The reason is I don't have much space and I wanted to maximize my space, so that means that I did sacrifice something called walking space and walkways. I'm okay with that because I'm only planting a couple times a year, but I'll be able to be harvesting throughout the year for more space. So what I'm going to do, let's mix that in there. I definitely need some more. Grab some more compost. I'm going to just mix this inside. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to dig a little trench. I'm going to just dig a little trench like this. Small trench. And I'm going to put my basil. I'm going to sprinkle my basil seeds right along the edge of this trench. Okay, so I have my harvested basil. So I have a 1.5-year old basil plant in the back, and it has gone to seed, and I use it for seed. So as the blooms come on, I just pull the seeds off and I replant them. Lightly cover this. Basil, if you let it go to seed, just be careful because, just as a warning, that it will take root like everywhere. Let's try this in this bed. Let's put one. Let's put it over here. Okay. I'm gonna put me a patty pan on this side over here. I'm gonna put me a cricket neck squash back here in the back, right there. Okay. Put those back there. I'm going to come in, I'm going to make another trench, and I'm going to put in some marigold seeds that I have. No, I'm not going to use marigolds. So this is a flower that I had growing in the front. It has dried out. As I pull it off, you see that? These are the seeds for a new plant. So I'm just going to put those right in here. I don't know how well they'll grow. We'll see. We'll see. We'll cover them up. Flowers have to go in your garden, not just your food, because flowers help to attract your little bees. I'll put those all over. They may grow in, they may not grow in. I'll put some back here in the back. Okay. Now, last thing, I'm gonna come in and I'm going to put on some mulch. I'm going to use lemongrass as my mulch. And then I am going to water everything in. Want to be a nice light mulch so that your light can still get through, moisture can still get through. You don't want to be too thick on there. Head on now and let me water everything in. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not done so, please consider subscribing and turning on your notifications and liking and sharing our video today. Thank you so much. Have a great day.
In the garden we breathe all the flowers in line. Sunshine woman cause in the garden we breathe all the flowers in line.